Welcome. If you're looking to change your language on Pinterest using your mobile device, you're in the right place. Whether you want to browse pins in a new language or simply make your app more comfortable to use, I'll walk you through the updated steps to easily switch your language settings on the Pinterest app. Let's get started. First, open the Pinterest app on your mobile device. Make sure you're logged into your account so you have access to all your settings. Next, head over to your profile. You can do this by tapping the profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. Once you're on your profile page, look for your profile picture at the very top and give it a tap. This will open up your profile options and settings. Now scroll down until you see the option labeled Account Management. Tap on it to access more detailed settings for your Pinterest account. Within Account Management, find and tap on Personal Information. This section lets you update details about your account, including your language preferences. Almost there. In the Personal Information menu, you'll see an option called Language. Tap on Language to view a list of available languages that Pinterest supports. Now, all you have to do is scroll through the list and select your preferred language. Once you tap on your choice, Pinterest will automatically update the app's language to match your selection. That's it. You've successfully changed your language on the Pinterest mobile app. This update will make your browsing experience more enjoyable and tailored to your needs. If you ever want to switch back or try a different language, just repeat these steps. Thanks for tuning in and enjoy exploring Pinterest in your new language. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy tech tips. See you next time.